Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Venetian Blinds Effect. The yellow is a solid layer. I applied the Venetian Blinds Effect on the solid, and if I drag the playhead, you can see what the Venetian Blinds Effect is doing. It is opening just like a Venetian blind on a window and revealing the layers below. Now you can change the thickness of these lines, so you can make them really thick, you can make them really narrow, you can change the direction, and of course you can animate any of the properties that have a stopwatch to get a very unique look using the Venetian Blinds Effect. So first, create a new composition. Command N, 1920 by 1080 pixels, 5 seconds is great. Next, I'm going to add a solid layer. This is just going to be the background color of the animation. To add a new solid, I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Command Y. You can also come up to the top menu, go to Layer, New, Solid, pick a color, and click OK. I'm going to add a logo for my Adobe CC library, so I'm just going to drag it right onto the center. Now I'm going to add a new solid layer. This is going to be the one on top that I'm going to add the Venetian Blinds Effect to. So Command Y to bring up the new solids. I'm going to click on the eyedropper tool. I'm going to select a new color this time. I'm going to pick my yellow. I'm going to select the top solid layer. I'm going to go up to the Effects and Presets. I'm going to do a search for Venetian, V-E-N-E. So I'm going to click on the Venetian Blinds under Transition, and I'm just going to drag it onto the top solid layer. So I want the transition completion to start at 0%, so all I see is the yellow solid, and then I want it to animate to 100%. So I'm going to bring it back to 0, make sure my playhead's at the very beginning. I'm going to click on the stopwatch next to transition completion to add a keyframe. I'm going to drag the playhead out, let's say to 1 second mark, and I'm going to change this from 0 to 100%. Now if I bring the playhead back, you'll see the solid, the Venetian Blind Effect comes on, and it's revealing the logo layer before. And now I'm just going to adjust the width of the solid layer bars that are coming down. So it's currently at 20. I'm just going to click in there. I'm going to type in 50. I'll press the space bar to preview, and now I've got a simple but pretty nice little Venetian Blinds effect. And if you want to animate the direction, just drag the playhead to where you want the animation to start. Click on the stopwatch for direction. Drag the playhead out further. Change the direction amount. I'm just going to click on this one to have it go 1, so it's a full 360. And now if I drag the playhead back, you can see what it's doing. Right there, it's rotating 360 degrees. And that is how to use the Venetian Blinds Effect in Adobe After Effects CC 2022. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.